Good morning, this is Mr. Bernal, and today we're going to start by solving two problems of the daily fluency on day 2, week 1 packet. This is the 10 frame that I prepared for the videos yesterday. I hope that you tried or try to make your own at home. And we can use today pennies or any other small object that you can use to cover the boxes there. The first problem that I'm going to solve is 9 minus 5. So I'm going to need 9 pennies. That's 7, 8, and 9. And I am going to subtract 5. So you can subtract any 5 that you want, but probably the easiest way is to subtract the whole first row at the top, because it's a row of 5, so I'm going to subtract those 5, minus 5. So how many pennies are there left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can even move them up here and know that they're 4. Okay, the second problem that we're going to solve is 9 minus 3. So I'm gonna go back to my 9 pennies, but this time I have to subtract 3. And let's see, these 3 are very easy to subtract, but again, any 3 that you subtract is fine. So there you see it, 9 minus 3 equals 6. Yeah, 6, 5, and one more is 6. Now I'm gonna use a different frame. Yesterday I showed you my finger frame. We can use our fingers too. So here's my 9 fingers. You notice that I skipped my left thumb because it's only 9 fingers. So there's 9 fingers minus 4. The easiest 4 to subtract, well, are these 4. Minus 4 equals 5. Again, 9 fingers minus this 4 equals 5. Did you try to do this frame at home? Next is the daily task word problem. So the problem today says, there are 60 slices of pizza being cut for a class party. That's sentence number 1. So I summarize that sentence like this. 60 slices of pizza for class party. The second sentence says, the class ate 32 slices. The class ate 32 slices. The next sentence says, how many pizza slices were left? And that happens to be the question, quite important. That means blank slices are left. Some slices are left. But how many? So today, in order to solve the problem, we're going to use our number sentence that we have here. And we need to realize that in today's problem, we have to realize if we do have the parts or the total and a part. So let's go back to the first sentence of the problem. There are 60 slices of pizza being cut for a class party. Is that a part or the total? What do you guys think? Because it says that there are 60 slices for a class party, that means there are no more. That's all the slices there are. So if you said that the 60 slices are the sum or total in this case, you are right. 60 slices is the total. The second sentence says the class ate 32 slices. So out of these 60, out of the total, 32 slices were left. Pardon me, eaten. So there you go. We had 60 in total, and 32 were eaten. Then the question says, how many pizza slices were left? And that's the part that we are missing, that we don't know. I like to use this triangle so that students realize if we do have the parts or the total and a part. So because in this case we have the total, that means that this total 60 slices is actually the answer of this number sentence. Part plus part equals total. And we have the 32 slices eaten. That's going to be one of our parts. That means that 32 plus something equals 60. Now we're going to solve the problem. So we have that 32 slices eaten plus some slices left equals 60 slices in total. Now look at this number, 32. Because 32 is close to a friendly round number. Which number is that? 30. We're going to pretend that 30 slices were eaten at the party, not 32. And the reason we should pretend that 30 slices were eaten is because now the problem seems a lot easier. 30 plus blank equals 60. So 30 plus 30 equals 60. The solution would be 30 slices left. But we are pretending the real number in the problem is 32, which is 2 more than 30. So because this part is really 2 more than 30, the other part should be 2 less than 30. So what is 2 less than 30? Yes, 2 less than 30 is 28. So the solution is 28.